In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use webhooks in Gohighlevel. We'll be setting this up inside an automation workflow so that a webhook can fire when a specific contact tag is added. This is a practical way to send information from Gohighlevel to another system automatically. And once you understand the basic setup, it becomes much easier to customize for your own use cases. First, log into Gohighlevel and head to your main dashboard. From there, click on Automation. This is where all of your workflows live, and it's the area you'll use whenever you want to build actions that happen automatically based on a trigger. Once you're in Automation, click Create Workflow. To make the process faster, choose Select from Template. Then go ahead and pick a template that fits what you want to build. And click Choose. Starting from a template can save time because it gives you a ready-made structure that you can adjust instead of building everything from scratch. After the workflow opens, click Add New Trigger. For this setup, select Contact Tag. This means the workflow will begin based on a tag-related event for a contact. Next, click Add Filters so you can be more specific about exactly what should start the workflow. In the filter options, click Select and choose Tag Added. This tells Gohighlevel that the workflow should only run when a tag is added, not removed or changed in some other way. Then select the specific tag you want to use. Try to choose the correct tag carefully here because this is what controls when the webhook will fire. Once that's done, click Save Trigger. Now that your trigger is ready, move to the top right and click Add, then choose Add Action. In the action search, type webhook so you can quickly find the webhook action. Select it and then add your custom data. This custom data is important because it determines what information gets sent out when the webhook runs. Depending on your setup, this might include contact details, tag-related information, or other fields you want the receiving system to use. It's a good idea to review these values carefully so the data being sent is useful and formatted the way you expect. Once you've entered the custom data, click Save Action. At this point, your basic webhook workflow is in place. You now have an automation that starts when a chosen tag is added to a contact and then sends data through a webhook action. If you're testing this afterward, make sure the tag is actually applied to a contact so you can confirm the workflow runs as expected. That's how to use webhooks in Gohighlevel.